5 indoor plants every beginner must have and almost impossible to kill. Number 1 is snake plant. Low light? No problem. Forget to water? Still fine. Did you know that it cleans the air as well, if you care about that? However, once in a while, just give it a sip of water. Snake plants are basically the cockroaches of plants. Let's keep going with number 2, jade plant. Its thick leaves will store water, so even if you forget to water it, it won't mind. Great for busy people and also lazy parents. Next, we have pothos, one of my favorites. Pothos literally grows like it's on caffeine, also one of my favorite drinks. Once in a while, give it some water, and if you want to propagate it, just cut some leaves, and that's it. You can leave it wherever you want, behind your computer, in a shelf, it doesn't really care. Next, CZ plant. It tolerates low light, drought, neglect, basically every single thing. All you have to do is water it lightly every 6 to 8 weeks, and that's it. Last but not least, peace lily. Definitely my favorite. It might look fancy, but it's actually a low maintenance plant. And if you forget to water it, it will let you know because its leaves will hang down. So when you see that, just give it a good shower and that's it. So there you have it, guys. These are my 5 top indoor plants for absolute beginners. If you want to start your journey of indoor jungle, here is where I'd start if I were you. Thanks again for watching, and probably you're gonna like this video as well, so make sure to check it out. Stay natural.